Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. We were practicing Leetcode top interview 150 questions. In the last video we did best time to buy and sell stock. In this video we will do the medium one, best time to buy and sell stock 2. Alright, let's get into it. You are given an integer array prices where prices I is the price of a given stock on the ith day. On each day you may decide to buy and or sell the stock. You can only hold at most one share of the stock at any time. However, if you can sell and buy the stock multiple times on the same day, ensuring you never hold more than one share of the stock, find and return the maximum profit you can achieve. Let's try to understand this by one example. Buy on day 2 and sell on day 3, profit is 5 minus 1 4. Then buy on day 4 and sell on day 5, profit is 6 minus 3 3, so total profit is 4 plus 3 7. All right, so in the earlier question it was that we have to find the maximum profit in one go, like we have to buy one time and we have to sell one time. But in this case we can buy and sell multiple times, so therefore we have to find the total profit we can extract from this stock. Okay, so let's try to visualize this, how we can approach this problem. Okay, cool. So these are the stock price. See, we have to find when we can buy the stock and when we can sell the stock. Okay, obviously we will only buy when we find that the price is lower than a price than we previously encounter, and then we will only sell when the price is above the mean price. Let's say if we go from here, like if we are in this index doesn't mean anything. All right, so we will start from this index because obviously we will need 2 days to compare. So therefore we will see that okay, 1 is less than 7. Okay, so we will mark of, like we will have a variable, let's say mean price. Okay, mean price, then we will mark this mean price that okay, we have the minimum price of 1 till now. Okay, then we move to this index, we'll check that okay, this is greater than the mean price, so therefore we can calculate a profit. So 5 minus 1 is 4. We will store this in the current, we will store this in a variable known as current profit. All right, because this is the profit we have encountered till now. Okay, this is because we at the end we have to also calculate the final profit. Now we come to this index, we see that this is smaller than the previous one, so therefore we have to calculate another instance of profit. So we will have another profit, let's say total profit, which we will update this only when we encounter it. Okay, so it's time to buy another, like it's time to buy again, so therefore we store the previous profit in this one. So this will be, earlier this will be 0, so 0 0 plus 4, and we mark this as current profit is 0 because we are buying again. Now we come here, we see that okay, this is smaller than the previous one. We calculate the profit, 6 minus 3 is 3. We come here, we see that this is smaller than the previous one, so that means we have to buy again, so that means we have to add the current profit to this. All right, 3. Now this is done, so the total profit will be 7. Got it? So let's try to do it by one more example, this one. Right, let's remove all this. So let's do the dry run. We will start it from here because we have to compare it. Let's take this. Okay, I I is smaller than the previous, sorry, I is greater than the previous day. So we will, mean price we can initialize it with the zeroth index, because yeah, price length will always be like the minimum length will be 1, so we will mean price as the zeroth index, which is 1. All right, so this one is greater than the mean price, so we'll calculate the current profit. Current profit is 2 minus 1, 1. We come here, we calculated with the mean price 3 minus 1, 2. So we will like update the current profit, it is 2. Then we come here, 4 minus 1 is 3. We come here, 5 minus 1 is 4. At the end we will update the total profit, so total profit will be 0 plus 4, which is 4. And I think that's the answer. Yes. Now let's try to do the last example also. Let's do the dry run. Alright, so mean price will be the zeroth index, so that means it is 7. I will be here. 6 is smaller than the mean price, so therefore that means we have to update the current profit, which is like 0, and we have to also update the total profit, which is 0 plus 0. I comes to here. Okay, so we have to also update the mean price since it is smaller, so that means this is 6. Okay, 4 is smaller than 6, again it will be 0 plus 0, because no profit since it is smaller. Update the mean price, comes here again, 3 is smaller than the mean price, it will be 0. We come here, 1 is smaller than 3, so that means everything will be 0, and ultimately total profit will return 0. So that means it will no way to achieve any profit. Okay, so let's just implement it. So we will have two variables. We will have current profit, let's initialize to 0, total profit equal to 0. Then we will have mean price, which will be the zeroth index, and then we will encounter, like we will iterate through the array. I will be starting from 1, I less than prices dot length I plus plus. Okay, now if prices of I, if the current index is less than the previous one, all right, because we have to compare with the previous one, that okay, whenever the graph goes up and down, that means we have to buy another one, because we have to start a new profit. So therefore whenever price I is less than prices I minus 1, what we will do, first we will update the mean price. Okay, so that means in this, from here the mean price will be this one, prices I. Then we have to update the total profit, plus equals to the whatever the current profit we have encountered in now, and we update the current profit as 0. Else, what if the current price is greater than the previous one? Alright, that means we have to calculate current profit equals to prices I minus mean price. That means if it is increasing, in this case 1 2 3, so 4 is greater than the previous one, so therefore we will minus it with the minimum price we have encountered till now, right? So that means 4 minus 1 will be the mean price, because it's in gradually increasing order. So we will update. So till now, what is the minimum price we have encountered? It is 1. So therefore since we have to calculate the maximum profit, we will minus it with the mean price. When we comes out of this array, we will update the total profit again, current profit, because there may be cases like in this case when the iteration is over, this case will never be hit, because price I will be never be smaller than the previous one. So therefore in that case also we have to update the total profit, that okay, till now the maximum profit is 5 minus 1, and then simply we will return the total profit value. Let's just try to run it. It's getting accepted. Let's try to submit it. Awesome, it is successfully accepted, and the time complexity is 0 millisecond. So time complexity will be O of n, because we are iterating the array one time, and space complexity obviously is O1, because we are not using any extra space. Cool. So I hope you have gained some knowledge, or you have understand the problem statement. Keep practicing, and I will see you in the next video.